Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can edit Bitmoji on the Snapchat that it will show more attractive and beautiful to others. So, before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So, firstly, open the Snapchat and you will see profile icon at top left corner. Click on it and you will see setting options and top right corner. Click on it and then you will see Bitmoji options. Click on it and here you will see change my outfit, edit my Bitmoji and choose a selfie. So if you click on change my outfit, then click on change my outfit. So after editing outfit, click on save options and then you click on edit my Bitmoji and here you can select according to you. Here if you want to change your hairstyle, then you can select it according to you, and here you can hair color, select hair color. So after selecting hair color, you can also hair treatment and here you can edit according to you. So after editing, click on save options. So after that, choose a selfie. So here you can choose it according to you. So after that, click on done options. So you can make it more attractive and beautiful in this way, your Bitmoji. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.